Hi, welcome to eSpares, I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Bosch washing machine if it's showing the error code F29. Now this error code indicates that there is a problem with your washing machine's water intake. Now this could be due to a number of issues, so what I'm going to do in this video is take you through all the checks that you can do to diagnose and fix the problem yourself. Let's take a look. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. The first thing you need to check is the water inlet hose. So to do that, you need to turn the water supply off to the washing machine and then also disconnect the part of the hose that connects to the washing machine itself. Put that end into a bucket and then re-turn on the water supply. What you're looking for is a sufficient level of water coming through the hose and into the bucket. If the water supply is sufficient, then you can reconnect the hose. However, if it's not, the first thing you need to do is to check the hose for any blockages or any damage, and you can get a new hose to fix that problem. However, if the hose is fine, but still the water supply is insufficient, there could be an issue with the pipes or the tap itself feeding your washing machine. But do watch the rest of this video before calling out a professional to deal with that. If your water inlet hose is damaged, you're going to need to buy a new one. Now, to get the correct one for your appliance, you're going to need your make and model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're not sure where to find the model number on your washing machine, see our video here, which will give you all the information you need. If you've checked the water inlet hose and the water pressure and they're both fine, another area to check is in here. We have a small filter inside here where the water inlet hose connects. Now sometimes you can pull these out using your fingers, but what I'm doing is gently coaxing it out with a flat-headed screwdriver. These can become blocked with debris, so it's a good idea to wash these to make sure nothing is trapped in here which is affecting your water flow. Now it's time to check your washing machine to see if the fix has worked. However, it's worth noting that the error code can persist even after carrying out a fix. If that's the case, then what you're going to have to do is reset the control board. Now, resetting the control board can vary from model to model, but we suggest trying this method that we'll be using on this particular Bosch washing machine. First, turn the control knob to the off position, then turn it again to the 6 o'clock position. Next, press and hold the spin button or RPM button on this one, and whilst holding the button, turn the dial to 7 o'clock. Then, after 3 seconds, release the spin button and turn the dial back to the off position. This should clear away the error code and reset the machine. If you've reset the circuit board and the error code still persists, and you've checked your water inlet hose, you've checked the water pressure, and you've cleaned out the filter at the back here as well, and the error code is still showing on your machine, then the only thing it can now be is the water inlet valve inside your machine. So let's show you how to replace that. Next, we need to take the top off the Bosch washing machine by undoing the 2 screws at the back that hold it in place using our Torx T20 screwdriver. To remove the top completely, push back and lift off. To release the water inlet valve from the appliance, what we need to do is take these 2 Jubilee clips off these hoses, push them back, and then take the hoses off themselves. There may be water in these hoses, so use a towel to soak that water up before then taking the water inlet valve out. And also we need to take this electrical connection off. But first, I'll show you how to remove it from the back of the appliance. Now there is a little technique to this where you can push down on the groove at the bottom, releasing the groove at the top, and then turn it slightly to release it from the appliance cabinet. In order to find the correct water inlet valve for your particular Bosch washing machine, you're going to need the model number. This is absolutely vital to make sure you're getting the right part for your particular appliance. If you don't know where the model number is, check out this video, which will tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new water inlet valve, push these hoses over the outlets. Make sure they're nice and snugly on. And then use your pliers to move the Jubilee clips into place. Again, making sure they're attaching the hoses firmly to the outlets. Reconnect the electrical connection, and then you can fit it inside the cabinet using the same technique you used to take it out. So there we have it, how to fix the error code F29 on a Bosch washing machine. Hopefully your machine is up and running smoothly again. Now, if you experience any other error code issues on your Bosch washing machine and you don't know how to diagnose or fix the problem, don't worry. Check out our playlist down here, which gives you all the information on Bosch washing machine error codes. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things relating to repair guides, maintenance advice, and some great money and energy saving tips. Thanks for watching.